Yo, what's percolating, guys? Alright, man, so I just got this helmet headset off Amazon. It's like $36. So it comes with the unit itself, comes with microphone and headphones, and it comes with the mount to put it on the helmet. So I got this Sadisky helmet right here. I think it's pretty nice. On this side, you got the sunglasses that come down, and obviously you got the visor. So I wanted to put this on the right side because, you know, I'd rather use my right hand than my left hand, but we gotta put this somewhere right here on the left side. I want to make sure it's out of the way of shutting and opening the visor, and also the sunglasses. So I don't know, maybe right here or right here. I feel like if it's right here and I go to pull my sunglasses down or put them up, that it might hit this and knock it off. So yeah, might just put it like right here or something. But before I place this on, I want to put my microphones in. So the microphone with the longest cord goes to the side that is not being plugged into this or whatever. The only thing that I find annoying about this so far is this right here. So I just charged it all the way up, and this thing just, it keeps on popping out. So yeah, it just popped out. So I'll probably rip that off because that's gonna be so damn annoying. Anyway, this pops in place right there. I'm trying to show you guys using one hand, but anyway, that pops in. Damn, dude, just like that. So just gonna keep this on here just like that, and then yeah, and then we'll go over everything once I figure out where to put these at. So now gotta first of all close the visor, and then take this out. You guys know how to do this. If not, figure it out. Okay, so once you get all the pads out of the way, you basically just need to remove these right here. I wouldn't pull this one up because it's kind of a pain to get back in. There's little slurts and there's little slots. So it looks like microphone goes here and one goes there. There's some stuff on there from where the previous owner had some on there. Just pull that out of the way. I got a big ass head, so I got a 2XL. But yeah, so longest cord goes over here. So yeah, go ahead and take these out and put them in. Okay, so this is the microphone and the speakers. So this side will go over to plug in here because it goes in the back side of that. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to run that. And then this will obviously be on the side with that. Microphone, you can basically put it anywhere. I mean, it's best to have it right here where your voice box is. There's one already there from the previous owner, so bing bang boom, it's probably the same damn one, honestly. But damn, look, it almost went right in, bud. I'm gonna get this figured out and then put it in there. Okay, so these have Velcro on the back side of them, and they wasn't put on like perfectly, but it's fine. You just peel off this white piece. I wouldn't even pull off the Velcro, honestly. I would just leave it on, and then figure out how you want it to go on, and then put it on. I don't know if I want my cord sticking up or down. Well, I put it on the side because you gotta make sure it's out of the way of this, so that's fine. And this one will just plug right into the Gabagoo, and now I just gotta throw this on this side, and then put this microphone probably in the same spot that this is. Now I can go ahead and remove this. I was going to keep this for whenever I got one, but I don't need it because comes with it. Comes with it, big dog. So I'm probably going to put it right here. And that's probably the best spot for it. I was thinking about it closer up here, but that's probably closer. Pretty good right there. Alright, so got this microphone in right here, got the speaker in right there, the wire turned to the back. Did that on both sides. so that way it's just out of the way. Now I can just throw all this back in here. Should have enough reach room. So yeah, I can also, if I need to, pull this off and turn it down just like that. So bing bang boom. Now I can just throw this back and get these pieces put back in, figure out where I want this at, and then hook everything up and test it out, see if it works. It's Bluetooth, so yeah, pretty sure it's Bluetooth. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Okay, so this is optional, but the microphone that I just pulled out of here, that was from the previous owner, had a little sticky thing that this sticks to, and I just use it to hold the wires down, so that way they're not just sitting in there loosely. I mean, just having my head on there will put it down, but I just wanted them to be secure, you know what I'm saying, so they don't feel scared. Imagine. Alright guys, so I guess I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here. It's still somewhat on a flat surface. It curves a little bit right here, but I think it'll be fine. It's out of the way of that and everything else, so I'm just going to put it right there. Alright, so I got that thing peeled off and got it stuck down. It's out of the way still. Probably just rip this fucking thing off because it's so stupid. I don't like that there's a cord hanging out. I wasn't able to push that in, so I might have to put a slit right here, so that way it will accommodate for the cord. So yeah, the only thing that's left to do is turn it on and see if I can connect to it. I'll do that off camera and then show you guys how to do it, I guess. Volume up, volume down, power on. I don't know what that's for, but yeah, I just gotta put it on and hope that it works. So yeah, I put the microphone on this side instead of that side because it was just backwards like that, I guess. But anyway, there's the freaking trash. See you guys in a second.